BMW built an engine so reliable it broke their own reputation. The B58. Everyone told you to never buy a BMW out of warranty. The bills, the electrical gremlins, the suspension that turns into a money pit at 60,000 miles. And for most BMWs, they were right, but not this one. Right now, you can still buy into the B58 for under $25,000, but every month that window gets smaller. Let's go. Number 10. BMW F30. 340i. This is the entry point, the cheapest way into B58 ownership. And right now, clean examples sit between $22,000 and $28,000. That is a staggering deal for what you're getting. The B58 in this generation makes 320 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque from the factory. 0 to 60 in around 4.6 seconds in xDrive trim. But here's what the spec sheet doesn't tell you. This engine responds to modification like almost nothing else in its class. A stage 1 tune, no hardware changes, just a software flash, and you're pushing 400 horsepower for under $500. That's the 2JZ comparison people keep making. And it's accurate. The headroom was baked in from the factory. The F30 does come with caveats. The iDrive system is a generation behind. Some interior plastics feel like they belong in a cheaper car, but none of that touches the engine. At $25,000 for a rear-wheel drive sports sedan with a legendary powertrain, the F30 340i is the gateway drug. The word is getting out. Prices on clean examples have risen nearly 12% in the last 18 months. Number 9. BMW G11/G12 740i. Nobody is talking about the 740i. Everyone chasing the luxury sedan market gravitates to the 5 Series or jumps straight to the S-Class. And that is exactly why this car is one of the best value plays in the entire used market right now. You're getting a full-size flagship BMW sedan, the same car that was selling for $82,000 to $95,000 new, now sitting in the $28,000 to $40,000 range with the B58 under the hood. Executive rear seating, a wheelbase that makes the 5 Series feel compact, acoustic glass, air suspension tuned for long-distance comfort, all at a fraction of the original MSRP. Yes, a 7 Series has more electronics than most aircraft. Active air suspension, massage seats, gesture controls, more things that can eventually need attention. But the B58 itself doesn't care whether it's in a base, 340i, or a flagship. It runs the same. It lasts the same. The strategy here is straightforward. Pre-purchase inspection, third-party extended warranty, and you're driving one of the most composed cars on the planet for a fraction of the original price. This window is closing. Number 8. BMW G05 X5 xDrive 40i. This is where the B58 becomes a family car, and I mean that in the best possible way. The X5 hits a sweet spot no other luxury SUV quite manages. Interior quality that puts American full-sizers to shame. Ride dynamics that make the competition feel agricultural. And now that the G05 generation is hitting the used market in volume, prices are finally starting to make sense. A 2020 X5 40i with 50,000 miles sits in the $29,000 to $35,000 range, a car that was $70,000 to $80,000 new, with the B58 making 382 horsepower. Owners are reporting these engines hitting 150,000 to 200,000 miles on basic maintenance. The things to watch for, once out of warranty, are the air suspension management module, the cooling system, and the transfer case. None of those are cheap, but none of them are the engine. And when the engine in the car you're maintaining is the B58, that changes the long-term ownership math compared to virtually any other European SUV at this price point. Number 7. BMW G01 X3 M40i. If the X5 is too big and the 3 Series is too small, the X3 M40i is the answer. The M40i badge matters here. This isn't the standard X3. This is the performance variant, and in the G01 generation, the B58 is tuned to 355 horsepower, 20 more than the X5 and X7 applications. Same engine, turned up a notch because the M Performance badge demands it. The result is a compact SUV pulling to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. BMW's own official figure is 4.6 seconds. The 4.4-second mark comes from Car and Driver's instrumented test of the 2018 model. In an SUV, for a car now available used between $18,000 and $35,000, that number is almost offensive. The G01 X3 M40i is also where the B58 built its reputation with daily drivers. Owner forums are consistent. Change your oil every 5,000 miles instead of waiting for the CBS, condition-based service indicator. Do your coolant expansion tank and water pump before they force you to. Then just drive it. Owners are casually racking up 150,000 and 200,000 miles on these without drama. That's the B58 ownership story in one sentence. Number 6. BMW G14/G15 840i and M850i. This is the car nobody bought new, and everyone regrets not grabbing used. BMW relaunched a beautiful Grand Touring Coupe into a market sprinting toward SUVs. Sales were slow. New units sat on dealer lots with heavy incentives, but that created something interesting. Exceptionally well-equipped, low-mileage examples are now hitting the used market at prices that seem almost impossible for what you're getting. An M85 OI xDrive was a $112,000 car new. A 2021 example with 30,000 miles is available in the $65,000 to $80,000 range. The M85 OI is powered by BMW's N63 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing 523 horsepower, a completely different engine from the B58. The standard 8.4 OI, meanwhile, runs the B58 in a more relaxed tune, prioritizing refinement over outright attack. Highway cruising, long weekend drives, covering ground in near silence. This is the grand touring application of the B58, and it shows a completely different side of what this engine is capable of. Smooth, composed, effortless. If you want the most elegant B58 application on this list, the 8.4 OI is it. Number 5. BMW G29 Z4 M40i. This is where things get interesting. The Z4 M40i is the only roadster on this list. The only car that shares both its engine and platform directly with the Toyota GR Supra, or more precisely, the Supra shares its platform and drivetrain with the Z4, since all the chassis and drivelines come out of BMW's facility in Austria, and arguably the most driver-focused B58 application BMW makes 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds in the M40i trim, 382 horsepower, available between 5,000 and 6,500 revolutions per minute, from the fully developed B58 B3001 spec rear-wheel drive. A short wheelbase, suspension tuned for feel over comfort. This is the B58 in its most analog, most involving form. The Z4 reminds you why BMW's driving reputation exists in the first place. The only thing holding it back on this list is practicality: 2 seats, a trunk the size of a carry-on bag, and residual values that are holding up better than almost anything else here, which means the deals are harder to find. New buyers are paying starting from around $68,400 for the 2026 model. Used examples from earlier years, such as 2020 models, with around 29,000 miles, can still be found in the low to mid $40,000, though more recent used examples from 2025 carry private party values ranging from approximately $56,000 to $66,000, depending on condition. If you want a weekend car and you want the B58 at its rawest, nothing else comes close. Real quick, if this is helping you find your next car or avoid an expensive mistake, hit the like button. 1 second. Helps us keep making content like this. Back to it. Number 4. BMW G42 M240i xDrive. The M24. Oh, I changed the conversation. BMW dropped the full B58 TU 382 horsepower into a compact coupe with a wheelbase so short it makes the 3 Series feel like a limousine. The result is the highest performance per dollar of any B58 application. When the M24i launched at $48,550, enthusiasts immediately understood what BMW had done. A car genuinely quick enough to embarrass machines, costing twice as much. And now that 2022 models are appearing on the used market, you're looking at 382 horsepower in the $38,000 to $44,000 range. Maintenance cost on the M240i tracks with the rest of the B58 family. Consistent oil changes, proactive cooling system attention, around 80,000 to 100,000 miles. Then, a car that runs well past 150,000 without drama, if you treat it right. The M24i is the daily driver argument for B58 ownership, and it's a compelling one. Number 3. BMW G20 M340i xDrive. The M34i is the sweet spot. I'll say that directly and then back it up. 4 doors, 382 horsepower from the B58 TU. AWD with the same rear-biased xDrive calibration BMW uses on the M3. Adaptive M suspension available as an option. A wheelbase that gives rear passengers enough room to survive a road trip. This is the car M3 owners buy when they get tired of the M3 Premium. Here's the reality of the M34i. It sits roughly $15,000 below a new M3 in MSRP. It covers about 85% of the M3's daily usability. In most real-world driving situations, it feels nearly identical. The half-second gap to 60 miles per hour is not something you feel on public roads. What you do feel is the payment difference. For 2021 and 2022 models hitting the used market now, a clean example with 35,000 miles lands in the $42,000 to $50,000 range. That's a car that started around $57,000 new. The B58 in this generation is not the 2016 version. This is the fully refined B58 TU with every early iteration concern addressed. Owners are reporting clean bills of health well into 6-figure mileage. The M34i is the B58 at its most complete. Number 2. BMW G22/G23 M440i. If you want the M34i's capability in a body you can't stop looking at, this is the one. BMW got the G22 4 Series exterior right. Sales proved it. The M44i, like the M34i, is equipped with BMW's 48-volt mild hybrid system. The mild hybrid doesn't add electric-only range or transform the driving character. What it does is allow the engine to restart more smoothly after stop-start shutoffs, extend fuel economy by a few percent, and reduce starter stress on every ignition cycle. In B58 terms, that means one more component working a little less hard on every commute. A base 2022 M440i xDrive coupe started at $58,700 new, with well-optioned examples commonly reaching the upper 60s. Clean used examples are now sitting in the $37,000 to $47,000 range. For a grand touring two-door with the B58 under the hood, modern interior tech that hasn't aged, and depreciation that's already done its worst, the M440i is the best combination of style and substance on this list. The only reason it doesn't take number one is one car that does everything better. Number 1. Toyota GR Supra A90 3.0. A Toyota takes the top spot on a list of the best B58 vehicles. If that bothers you, let the data change your mind. The A90 Supra runs the BMW B58 in 335 horsepower form for the 2020 model year, upgraded to 382 horsepower from 2021 onward. But the real story isn't the power output, it's the ownership profile. When you buy a Supra, you're maintaining a Toyota. Toyota dealers, Toyota parts pricing, Toyota labor rates, Toyota service network, the most trusted reliability reputation in the automotive industry, sitting directly on top of one of the most durable turbocharged engines BMW has ever built. That combination has never existed before in automotive history. The tuning community figured it out immediately. The same Stage 1 flash that turns a 340i into a 400 horsepower machine does the same thing in the Supra. Stage 2, upgraded downpipe and intercooler, puts you at 450 to 500 horsepower on a stock engine block. Owners are running those power levels for 50,000, 80,000, 100,000 miles. The B58 does not flinch. And here's where the FOMO is real. A clean 2020 Supra 3.0 was available for $42,000 to $46,000 18 months ago. Today, those same cars are pushing $48,000 to $54,000 and still moving. The market has recognized what this car is. Every month you wait, another buyer who figured it out earlier is already driving one. Toyota ownership costs with BMW performance engineering and the most active tuning community in sports cars under $60,000. There is no other vehicle on the market that offers that combination. That's the number one B58 car, bar none. That's the list. The B58 is the engine that turned the used BMW conversation completely upside down. Every other reason you had to avoid an out-of-warranty German car still exists, but this specific engine in these specific vehicles changes the math in a way the market is finally starting to price in. Which B58 car are you driving or planning to pick up? Drop it in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button. We cover market data, reliability numbers, and ownership stories nobody else is tracking every single week. See you in the next one.